Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, and today we don't actually. It's not actually a holiday. Yesterday we had some serious holidays. That's why the market did not actually move with that much. I hope you also saw this. Don't forget that later on we're gonna go on our live session. Yesterday it was very good, and thanks to everyone who was there. So, on our daily analysis, what's really happening? We are actually on GBP JPY. Yes, the market is still actually on that bullish momentum. The market is still pushing to the upside. So, where we are now, as maybe you did check my previous analysis, you saw that we did not actually change anything here. We still have this resistance there, and if you check that nicely, you can see that yes, the market is actually respecting this area. The market created this resistance, and then now the market pushed up, retest. Now it's the second retest actually, which means yes, there is a room for the market to do what? To push to the upside. The market is respecting this area. Now it's time for the market to do what? To push the upside. Even if maybe we change the time frame, I think we can still get the same thing. Let's go on 1 hour and see if maybe we are not lying or something. Yeah, I think you can easily see that even if I remove this that point that zone, you can easily see that the market was creating something there, and the market came back to retest, and now it's coming for the second time. Yesterday actually we had a buy around that area, but the market did not really push that much. But yes, it was a bit smaller or profit, but I think we can actually still actually enter that trade. But I think the market is already moving away. So we were supposed to have something like this, something like that actually around this area. Let's push this bit higher, something like that. Do you see that? So I'm expecting the market, if maybe the market comes back again, I think we can actually re-enter this trade. I think the market will be pushing up again as we are actually still on that uptrend. So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. Gold has been doing some crazy stuff, guys. It's been going down for quite some time, but it's normal. But what I see is, I think the market actually now touched our resistance. Very nice. Now the market touched our resistance, which is something that we've been waiting for. You can see that yes, the market has been actually touching those areas, especially if you go on 1 hour. Or a daily time frame, right? If you go on daily time frame, you're going to see that very nice. So where we are now, where the market is now, you can see we are actually around this support area. So there is a nice chance actually for the market to push the upside, or if the dollar is getting stronger and stronger, we might see a sell. But already in the group, I actually sent a buy pending order. Let's go maybe on 4 hours time frame. Are we on 4 hours time frame? Let's use 2 hours time frame. So where we are now, we can easily see that yes, the market has been pushing lower and lower. This move here, I don't really see that on my other broker. I just see it here on trading view, so it means this was a fake breakout. So where we are now, we see that the market is touching our support area here. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To actually spike around. So just for other people to panic, I think this is going to cause some panic, but I think we can have something like this. I think the market will actually end up pushing up. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break up. If the market break out, yeah, we will see that sell, but I think the market will respect that and start to push the upside. That's why we have a buy pending order. We have a buy pending order. So, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, guys. So I'm thinking that the market might be running away from this area, and later on, maybe when we go on our live session, we will find gold around these areas, if that will happen. And remember, I think today they're just going to finalize the debt ceiling. I think they're going to vote and do some other things, you see. So, but I think we will see dollar getting strong and so already strong already. So it's not like it's gonna be something new. So now what's really happening on in US30? We can easily see that on US30 the market is being actually under pressure, under this down trend pressure or a sell momentum. The market is being actually trying to push the lower side. Every time the market touches that area, I've been repeating that, you can see that the market is being pushing lower. But where we are now, even if maybe we have different structures, we're supposed to understand that at the end of the day, the market might do what? The market might push lower and lower. So let's go closer at that. But the thing is, sometimes with fundamentals, things might not be as clear as we want, and we might end up even taking some losses. So we also had something like this. The market broke out of that. So we ended up having, let me remove this, using this trend line, and it was making sense. By the way, the market was actually doing some very nice stuff there. You can see the market was actually giving us something. But now, since yesterday it was a holiday, we can easily see that around this area the market is just consolidating. So to see things very clear, I think we have to go on a bit smaller time frame and try to see what's really happening. I think on top there I already see something like a horizontal, or I can sorry, I can try to use something like this. I hope you can see that. I think the market is creating something like that. So now we're just waiting for the market to show us where it is going. So in this type of a structure, this is 1 hour, by the way, so we can just wait for the market to create a clear move. The market has to create a very, very, very clear move. So if the market wants to push the upside, we have to see that before we jump on that. But if it's a smaller candlestick, that is going to confuse. If maybe the market breaks this area as a smaller support or counter support, it's not really that strong, we have to see it, then we can then jump on that. But I'm actually confident selling USDT now, especially when we are actually on a downtrend like this. So I don't really feel confident saying that, oh, we're supposed to buy. The market is still under that bearish momentum, but things might change. We know how these things move. The things might change very quick, but since we are here, we will see, and you can also check our updates, right? My daily analysis every day. I do send this every day, and if you appreciate that, if you like that, you can actually smash the subscribe button and share with your friends. Now we are actually on NASDAQ. Remember, we are actually on NASDAQ. Remember, we have a special, guys. I've been repeating this, and which actually ends tomorrow. From what's that? Let me do this so that you can see. Don't say we never did anything, guys. We try our best, but the thing is, we can't work for free. So you can see that a lifetime subscription actually for lifetime signals, you can see that it's actually $250, but you can get that for $50, which ends tomorrow. At least I tried to give you some chance so that maybe you can actually join our team. So from there, it's gonna go back on $200, so on $250. So which means you actually saving that $200. Then you can maybe be able to fund your account. So what's really happening on NASDAQ? You can easily see that. Sorry, the market is actually pushing higher. We are actually on an uptrend. We are actually on a very nice uptrend. The market is pushing higher and higher. But where we are now, the market has been struggling to break out. The market has been struggling to break out. But what I like about that, you can see the market has been pushing to the upside. So now we can actually zoom and go closer and see what's really happening. So now we can have a confidence to say, you know what, yeah, the market did push to the upside and we have a very nice resistance there, but the market was struggling to do what? To push lower, which shows that actually there is enough bullish momentum. The market just gave us some small rejection, some small consolidation there, but we can easily see that the market did not do what? The market did not actually reverse. We were expecting that, by the way, but it seems like the bullish momentum is still very strong, which means the market might start to do what? There is a chance for the market to continue with that bullish momentum. And today it's also a very nice chance. When the market opens, we might see that, or even before, let's go on 1 hour and see. Even before that might happen, you can see the market gave us something here, gave us some consolidation to show us that, you know what, guys, I'm not actually going on that bearish momentum. So we might see another push. So we will be ready actually in the group. Obviously, I will be sending some buy pending orders so that if maybe the market is ready to push the upside, we are also ready. You see that? But yes, we can't deny and say maybe the market won't go down. There is a possibility. The market is actually a bit higher. So there is a possibility for the market maybe to push lower before we see another push, or even lower maybe to this support area around maybe 13,700, maybe before we see another push. That is also possible. That is also possible. But if things are like seriously, if the companies in NASDAQ are seriously bullish, everything is bullish, there is no way the market can still push up. So anyways, for today I think it's enough. So I will see you around 2:30 when we go on our live session. So thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, like, share with your friend. I really appreciate you. So I'll see you on the next one. Bye.